Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we dive into something that magic scene but make a harm different in both functional and style. Gate launch for wood gate. Whether your build a block new gate upgrading your old one or a simple cost about what type of launch search your home best. This video will walk you through everything for the type of launch and even to install tape security upgradation and even some created design inspired. So area by the end of this video you will know each how to choose the perfect gate launch that complement your wood gate and enhance your outdoor space. Part first. What the gate launch match? One most popular thing of a wood gate here active going to the design, the type of wood, the finish, or the decoration hen. But the launch that the under hero. A launch look not just a close, it's the heart of the gate functional. It's keep your process, provide all level stick for each and add a finish touch that reference your personal style. Think of its look for your wood gate. Smart but do the overall look. A poor choose launch can ruin the aesthetic, even make the gate hard of use, but the right launch not only make your look, it enhance the charm of the entrance away. Part 2. The main type of gate launch. Let's explore the modern committed type of launch used for wood launch how when work Then second, Tribal Lounge. Lounge is a timeless classic. It's perfect a simple level art one of the side for the lounge and a lounge right on the other. You are passed down triple price which little the ceramic replaced the lounge simple, elegant and perfect for traditional and result style gate. There are often make for those errand and back power coach make theme idea and cushion or farmhouse aesthetic. Then often a contemporary fit and dash choose when the launch back into place best for front gate gardening. Get that open reward. Ranch lounge. Next up the rain lounge, another classic design that add both functional and beauty. It's perfect arranged in one each side of the gate connect by the simple when you turn the rain if launch bring reference the gate. It's one of the most versatile and simple launch style become you can often it's for both side best for get the need access for both decision medium to long gate lounge traditional to term style home rain lounge often can its meeting bad finish or even still for a most contemporary touch. Choose for in versatile it's your get a perfect lounge for him. Both lounge or stale both. This one is as simple as the get and both lounge or simple both is just too much bring that side into the cost or bring well it's not only other steam security and perfect you can even add paid launch and explore security before Dwight Gate gardening shade on even get that side secured close more of the time both launch can be found in seamless string bring power so you can easy match theme with your launch style.